Hey guys, so I really want to redo my studio, but I just have absolutely no idea how to do it. I have just ordered my IKEA drawers. They're going to be here at the end of the month because I'm just running out of room for like makeup storage, but I just have no idea where I want to put the filming setup, what I want the background to be. So I'm going to bring you along on the journey. First things first though, I think we need to start by giving this room a little bit of a clean up. So that's what I'm going to do today. I feel like when it's clean, like it'll be so much easier to, you know, kind of go from there and see where we want things to go. So yeah, let me do that. Okay, I think I have a plan for me. So I think what I'm going to do is keep over there as is. I'm going to put a bookshelf here. I'm going to get rid of this and these, and then put another set of cubes here, I think. So I'll take that down so the bookshelf can like go there. Actually, I don't know if the bookshelf will fit there. Anyway, then I think I'm going to have this be my filming backdrop. So my new drawers will go here. Put some stuff on the wall, and I think that'll be my filming backdrop. I don't know if it's going to work, but just gonna have to give it a go and see how it works. I'm scared. So yeah, I think what I might do is I'm gonna obviously start cleaning this out so that I have some room to move. I can't make too many changes yet because obviously I don't have my drawers yet, so there's no point moving the filming setup. But I'm gonna start cleaning, getting rid of these things, making room for the other things that I want in here, and yeah, kind of going from there. Hey guys, I don't know, I don't think I've updated you, but I haven't ended up actually getting that much done in here because, I don't know, just got preoccupied with other stuff happening. But I did like clean off like most of this, and I have put that like out on the bookshelf out in the lounge room. I can't remember if I told you, but I've decided a game plan. So this desk is going to go here. I'm going to get rid of this and that little bookshelf over there, and then I'm going to put cubes there. I've also bought a second pair of cubes which will go over there, and then I'm going to put this desk like a long ways here and have my filming backdrop here with the new IKEA drawers. So that's a basic rundown. I'm hoping it'll work. I think it will. Like, I think that'll look good. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clear off the rest of like up here, clear off the cubes, take everything out of these, like try and like clear this part so that Kate and I can like move this desk over here and then like start like that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing now. Okay, we are making progress. So I've moved all of this stuff here. Now I'm about to move the desk. The rest of the house has taken a bit of a hit, but anyway, I'm really worried about moving the mirror because that thing is very heavy. But anyway, it's a new day. This is what I'm dealing with. It's coming along though. So I think what I'm going to do now is just start going through everything. I need to find a spot in the room where I can actually sit, start going through everything, make little piles, and basically go from there. So yeah. Hey guys, so this is where we are at the moment. So I've built my second lot of cubes. Can't remember like where I actually showed you. It's been a couple of days since I've come in here because I've been busy at work and stuff, but I'm off today, so we are going to try and finish this bag off. I don't know if we're gonna get to it, like if we're gonna be able to do it, but we're just gonna try our best. So I feel like there's just still so much to do, like it's so hard. I think what I'm honestly going to do is like start, I don't even know. I want to kind of like sort things into categories so I can kind of like try and, yeah, I don't know. Like, anyway, so I'm probably just going to let the camera run for a little bit. Kind of do my thing. I can't tell if I should, like, start over this side or start, like, over the other side. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just kind of going to let the camera do its thing and try and make a bit more progress in this room. So, let's go. Okay, so I actually have a dilemma. I had another bookshelf to put in here and I've just realised it's not going to fit. So that's not good. So I'm kind of stuck. Like, I feel like I'm at a bit of a standstill. Like, this is what we've got going on. I originally wanted to have 8 of these baskets down the bottom in these cubes, but I just need the space in the cubes, so I can't do that. Oh gosh, I don't even know what I'm gonna do, guys. Like, I still have this box full of stuff down there. I feel like a lot of it is like stuffed toys as well, and they're big, like they take up a lot of space, so I'm like, damn. But anyway, yeah, I don't really know like where to go from here. I feel like I'm a little bit stuck. Anyway, I'm gonna try and figure it out, I guess. But yeah, I just don't really know what the answer is. Cause yeah, I'm obviously expecting to have that whole other bookshelf. Like, I could buy another one, but like I'm kind of like, I don't know. I don't know. I need like something to put over in this space. I feel like it's an awkward little space, so I don't really know what I could put there. But anyway, we'll figure something out, I guess. So yeah, but for now, like, it's all looking good. Like, I'm happy with the way it's looking. I just need more like a storage room. Like, I've got too much stuff, so yeah. Anyway, let's keep going. Okay, so I ended up getting some more cubes. I feel like I'm really glad that I went with the cubes. I think it looks really good. So I'm actually going to finish part 1 here, and then part 2 we'll just finish up the rest of this stuff, and I'll also build like my IKEA drawers when they come in and put that all together. So yeah, very exciting. I will see you guys in part 2.